Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I have a very high performing pen that I want to show you. It is great. This is a Uni-Ball Vision pen. This is a micro, so it is a 0.5 millimeter tip. This is a fountain pen and it has a couple of really nice features. So first of all, it writes really well. It is super smooth. It has a really nice flow of ink, and that ink is very special. So this ink is waterproof and fade proof, and it is designed to soak into paper, so it prevents any fraudulent altering of documents. So that is really great if you're using this for legal documents and different things like that, or checks where you do not want anything to be able to be removed. This is an awesome option. So I really like this pen. I think it's nice and light and comfortable to use. It lasts for a really long time, and I think it just has a very nice flow, and overall it's a good pen to have. So if you're looking for a high quality fountain pen with built-in security features, then I would definitely check out this Uni-Ball pen. I think it's a great product, and that's my point of view.